Hi, this is William. Today we're going to go over custom fields. Custom fields gives you the ability to create questions on the lead details page. For example, who's their first mortgage with, what flight date time they're coming in, client credit scores, how's their credit, good, fair, great, when are they available to see the property, are they W-2 stated, different questions that you can ask by creating custom fields. This is a great way to pre-qualify your clients, the leads inside your CRM. But the question is, how do you create these custom fields? Well, first of all, you have to be in the manager level. Supervisory levels and agent levels do not have access to create custom fields. So get with the manager level, and then that could be done there. The way it works is you got to go to Tools and Settings, and in this box right here, Custom Fields, etc., you're going to see one that's called Manage Lead Custom Fields. By selecting it, you'll see the ones that we just saw on the other page. And the way that this works, you would create and click on Add New Field. When you click on Add New Field, you're going to see it says Field Name, Field Type, the values, Default, Order, and Searchable Yes or No. I would typically always say searchable yes for many reasons after we go to the advanced search. But this is the field name that you would ask a question. In this instance, let's ask this question right here. In this instance, I created something called, as you can see here, property down payment. So I'll do a field type. Now I can make a text area, which is just type in the value, a text area, which is a big box like this box right here, a select box, which is a pull down menu, a checkbox, which is you can put a check in there, a radio button where it's only one select, either one or the other. Select box or checkbox, you can put many checks in boxes, and then a date. So in this case, I'm just going to get, it says property down payment. I could say select box, and I could say something from 0 to 10%, comma, maybe 10% to 20%, etc. So in this case, I wrote 0 to 10%, 10 to 20%, 20 to 30% down payment, 30+%, and then a full cash offer. And then I could put the word here select. So I would always put select here, and the order. You could put it in different chronological sequences if you want. I'll put it at the top for the moment, and make it searchable. So once you do this, you hit submit. Now if you go back to the leads and choose one of the leads that we've created here, you'll notice it says property down payment. It says 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 plus, full cash offer. Once you're done, hit Save Custom Fields. Don't use this save because that saves for this box. Use the Custom Fields save right here. Now later in the future, if you wanted to go ahead and run some type of filter, you simply go to the Advanced Search up in the right hand corner, and in this details area, you're going to say property down payment. I'm going to look for all people who have full cash offers, and I would search, and it would pull up all the leads that meet that criteria. Then you could choose the lead here and maybe have different other leads. Just click on, or do a radio button here, select them all, and then you could say, hey, I'm going to send an email, and hit go, and then you can send an email to all the leads that, hey, full cash offer, check out this property. And you'll see all the emails inside this box. Just to let you know, everybody is blind CC'd to one another. So though it may look like everybody's going to see each other's emails, our system sends out one email at a time, so everybody's blinded to one another. It will not be seen. Okay? So with that said, we'll review this one more time. You go to Tools and Settings. You're going to go to Manage Lead Custom Fields, and you're going to click on Add New Field. You can create your topic right here. In this case, I wrote any special needs. So any special needs, and I'm going to make it a checkbox. So we'll ask a couple of questions in the values box. So in this case, I wrote wheelchair access, pool, ocean view, any special needs at that, and we made it checkboxes. And I made it top search, and I said yes, and I hit submit. Now when I do that, by the way, you can order these questions in a chronological sequence by just using these arrows and moving things up and down. Okay, so if you want to put them in a flow. But if I go back to the leads and click on John Smith once again, here is a question. Any special needs? Wheelchair access, pool, and ocean view. As you can see, the differences. When we did this, you were able to choose more than one. Here, as a select, you could just do a selection. Here would be a selection here. This would be a date, and here's the text where you just type in 720, for example. Okay, and here's another pull down menu. Here's a radio box where if you choose one or the other, where this one you could do many, this was just either or. Okay, so play around with this right here, make a few, and you'll understand how this plays out. And once you create these fields, simply go to the advanced search, do your search on how you want to select your information, search it, find your data, select what you want, and email to those people or put them on a drip campaign. Thank you very much, and make it a great day. Bye-bye.